Experiences are how divinity communicates with itself. For one and all that embraces itself as the all-in-one. Every planet in the solar system, but a different organ in your body of consciousness. Every person in this planet, but a different cell in your celestial body. And all of it come to life in multidimensional shape, color, sound, and texture. Just you can personally experience the unfathomable reality that you are, through a series of improbable encounters. This moment is an absolute miracle. It is occurring only because you say it is so, and because you are here, it unfolds only to serve. The unfolding of your own magnificent potential. This world is holy ground because it is you who walks upon it. Life will pay you to not worry when you spend your time loving yourself. You are no longer unhappy because you are not blaming anything that you are. You don't become happy by trying to be happy. Because the wisdom is that happiness is already within you. You may not be able to feel it, because it is suppressed by a veil of unhappiness. Things may not always please you, but they are destined to always play the role that brings out your highest evolution. But if only love is real, why be afraid of what is trying to enter your field? Let heaven have its way with you. Let the light enter you and dance in the ecstasy of your almighty presence. And let no character in your play ever intimidate you again. Whether you make a strong decision in your life that makes other egos feel as if they are losing control of the objects that define them. No matter the response you get from those around you, you will never be intimidated or afraid of any character walking the earth. For as you, it is your radiance that is breathing life into them, no matter the dance of disappointment they demonstrate before you. You will no longer walk around this earth believing that the truth of our divine reality is some sort of secret. It is only seeming as if the world isn't talking about that truth, because it is only you who can declare it as so. It is a truth that only seems hidden when you remain silent. And as you open up to remind the world that only the truth of love is here, seeds of ego sprout roots are given the chance to dig deep, to be exposed to the elements of their destiny, and to release the fragrance into the garden that only occurs when their true potential flowers. You are the creator of it all, and you don't remember creating, because it was created before memory was imagined. Let the current of your breath guide you. Let your inner compass move you. Let the love in your heart console you. Don't wait for silence to speak. Let silence be the answer that clears your name. When in reality, the only problem any of you will ever have is being far too perfect to comprehend. You are way too perfect to comprehend. You are far too beautiful to even witness. Because by the time you would directly see the magnitude of your beauty, you would already burst into 1 trillion stars, giving birth to endless galaxies, before you can even say, "Wow, check that out." Let every moment be brand new. Do not apologize for your individuality. Become enamored with your intensity. Fall in love with your determination. Look into yourself. Look into yourself wherever you turn. And no matter where you go or how deeply you look, you will find me there as you are now. I see you. I love you. I am you. Don't just meet others. Receive yourself in all forms. Allow the cells of your body to explode in ecstasy just by the sound of God's voice that speaks as the uniqueness of another. Open your heart to safety. Unleash your grace onto the world. And make no apologies for who you are. You are catapulting high out into this galaxy. And together, we will transform all just for the sake of seeing how miraculous we are. For the benefit of all dreamers who are still waking up. This is a love revolution. So welcome yourself in. And as you do, I welcome you home as the love that I am. I am the love that you are. You are the love that I am. I will dwell in eternity in the kingdom of your heart. Thank you for making a home for me within you. You always have a home in me. I love you.